We're making...
Okay, hey guys, we're making noise. You grab this piece of straw, put it on a board, you grab this, you bang it on there, then make it hard. Well, it's actually just a flagpole. And then you're going to take another piece, and then you're going to take it, and you're going to scrape it. And then you're going to take this like this, and then scrape it on the other side, and then take the cord and do that. And then wash it. I'm going to wash it with water, but I don't want to leave. Wash it. And then write some kind of thing to your parents, whoever you wanted to give it to. If you want to give it to your life, something that you love about your life, or something that you love about your parents, and that's how you make it. Well, basically, we're not done. We're going to take like a stick, and we're going to like glue or do something, and we're going to do it, and then that's a knife. And that's the end of the video. Bye.
The Sharpie marker is somewhere over there, I think. I think it's somewhere. It's right here.
How about I just go to the stuff to shop and get you guys a soda and a ice cream bar?
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
I'll pay you back with a hug. What's that say? I love.
Look.
What's that say?
I love Mom.
Best ever.
Oh, Mom, guess what? Feel this one. I want to protect you because I love you.
Oh, thank you, Noah.
One right there that says I love you, Dad.
Yeah, but he's got more. Mom's got more.